Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn off your location services on iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to settings, and in settings you need to scroll down. After you will see privacy. So here you can see after the battery. So you will see privacy. So just open it, and here you will see location services. So just go here, and here you can see that also you just click here. And now you can see location services will be disabled for all applications, but your personalized location services settings for apps will be temporarily restored if you use Find My iPhone to enable lost mode. So just click turn off, and you successfully turn off your location service. If you want to turn it on, just click here. Also, you can use manually it for some programs. So if you want to lock this SS for special programs, for special apps, for example for maps or for camera, so just go here and for App Store, for example, and here you can see three different ways you can choose. Never ask next time while using the app. So you can also just allow or not allow to some special app. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.